Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Here's a review of Roundup. As we just did with the round down, we're doing the exact same thing, but round up. I don't think I need to go through this. You can do this on your own. Hit F9, and if you're having trouble understanding how this works, review this on your right. Round up. We're going to round up. Round down. Be careful. Again, as I said, remember round down, we went -4, and it took this number all the way to 0. Rounding up is as aggressive, but you can see we're going to round up from 41.9 up to 50, and that's still a pretty dramatic move. So keep in mind, if you're doing this, also remember there's the ceiling function, there's the integer function, there's the trunk function, there's a whole host of things that we have covered that you may want to incorporate instead of the round up and round down. Okay. Brad Williams, XL Prime, out.